Assalamualaikum, how are you all? Now I'm going to share my shapes activity with you. This is very attractive and I like this activity because this is a big butterfly and I will make shapes inside the butterfly, and when the kids they will play this butterfly, they will identify the shapes with playing. So it's like a fun for them. So I will use for this colorful activity, I will use colorful comic shapes. So I will show you. I will use right now the 4 colors for this butterfly because I told you it's very colorful activity. So I have a blue color, green color, yellow and red. All of these are the forming shade that I use to make the butterfly. And also we need a glue gun. And so now we will start our activity. I hope you will like. Let's start now. First of all, I will draw sketch of butterfly on the forming sheet. First of all, I am going to make the wings of the butterfly. I will use the red color. So I will make the sketch for this. I am making these wings in oval shape because we are making this activity for the shapes. So I will try to make all the parts of the butterfly that will show shapes. So this is the wings that I am taking the oval shape. After making the sketch of the butterfly wing, now I am going to cut these 2 wings. With the help of this one shape, I will make another wing. So you can see these 2 wings are ready and these are like oval shape. Now the second step, I will make inner part of the butterfly with this blue color. I will make the sketch. If you will teach your kids in this way, they will not bore and they will love with the learning. Otherwise they will bore and they will not come to learn with you. Okay, now this is the inner part of the butterfly like this. Let me show you. Let's look like this. Okay, it's look like this. Now I will make the bottom part. For this bottom part I need 2 circles. I already draw this circle, so I will cut this circle. So I cut already 1 circle, so you can see I will just take the size. Just look like this. Let me show you. So you can see almost the cutting is done. Now I need to make the shapes inside. So I will just draw with the stencil. You can see this one. So these 2 sides I will make triangle shape. Now in the circle I will make diamond shape. So we have oval, triangle, diamond. Now we can also draw square. Now the next part, I will cut all of these shapes from inside the part of the butterfly. This way I am going this for the butterfly. So it's looking like this. Now time to assemble the parts. So I will use the glue gun. We can make here rectangle because I didn't make that shape. So I also want to make the rectangle. So from the bottom side of this, I will make the rectangle. Like this. Now I will tell you how the kids they will play with this butterfly and how can they identify the shapes with the help of this butterfly. So it's so easy. So they will use the triangles. We put inside triangle. This. Okay. And another one. Like this. So it's look like puzzle game. Rectangle. Now we have square. The shapes are done. So they will remove and they will put the shapes again inside like this. I hope you will like this. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now in my second shape activity, I will use this cardboard glitter sheet. It's hard paper, okay? So for these activities, we need different color of this sheet and popsicles. So these two things we will use for this one, and I will use this punch machine to make some flowers. So now I will show you how can you use this activity. Actually this activity you can use for two purposes. One, you can make shapes, and the other you can also use for the colors. So how the kids they will match the colors. So this one activity you can use for two things. Now we will start. For this, first of all, I will draw the shapes on this paper and I will cut all of these shapes. Now we will draw now. We will draw one shape on one paper and we will use the one color. I will draw from the back side. First I will take oval. Oval, okay. Now diamond. Okay, diamond. Rectangle. Triangle. So on the same way you can make different activities and you can make different shapes. I also make two shapes on the same color and we also start from here. Now I'm going to cutting now. Now I cut all these shapes. What is the next step? I will cut on the same flowers. Now you can see flower and the shapes are ready. So what is the next step? We will use these sticks. For each shape we need two sticks. Like this. Like this. Let me show you. First of all, we will make one cut from the middle of the shape. Like this. So one cut we will paste on the one stick and the other part on the other stick. On the same way you can paste the flowers. I hope you enjoy this shapes activity. So diamond, heart, square shape, oval, oval, circle. So the kids, they will match the shapes, and also they can know what is the color. You can ask them, can you match the flower with the shape? So that's why I put one flower here. So one activity you can use for the two purpose. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for the educational video. Hopefully you will enjoy. Thank you so much. Bye.